Good morning. My name is Prabhat Singh, and this presentation reflects on the front-end development and user experience design of four Android applications that I developed in Android Studio as a part of mobile web application development module. For this project, I selected four different applications to give me broad exposure to user interactions, layout, design, and functionality. These apps were Color Carnival, a mobile button interaction app, Smart Weight Converter, a logic-based conversion app, Smart Product Catalogue, a content navigation app, registration and login app. Before any coding began, I created low-fidelity hand-drawn wireframes for each app. This helped me plan layout, user flow, and interaction before moving into XML and Java development. Wireframes and user experience overview. All four applications started with simple wireframes focusing on structure rather than visual details. While these frames were enough to guide development, I later realized that tools like Figma would have allowed more accurate spacing, alignment, and higher fidelity designs. Despite this, I maintain consistency, readability, and ease of use across all apps. Typography, spacing, and responsiveness were key priorities, and user engagement was enhanced through button feedback, color changes, images, and animations. Let's move to the app 1. The Color Carnival app focus on button interactions and visual feedback. It's a single screen app designed to be simple and intuitive, using buttons, images, messages to guide the users. During wireframing, one challenging was button overcrowding. Initially, too many buttons were stacked vertically, which felt cramped. I solved this by rearranging button horizontally, improving spacing and visual balance. I also experimenting with background styles, brighter or patterned background. I distracting from the buttons, so I settled on a muted background to keep focus on interaction. In the final implementation, I added animation and background color changes that were present in the wireframe, improving engagement, moving the higher fidelity version much more dynamic. App 2, which is about smart weight converter. The smart weight converter app focuses on logic calculations and user input. User enter a weight in kilograms, select a unit from a spinner, and receive a converted result. This app was intentionally minimal to avoid distracting user from the core functions. The layout includes an input field, a spinner, converter, and clear buttons, a result text view. One major improvement came during coding rather than wireframing. I realized the app needed input validation to prevent crashes when fields were empty. Adding conditional logic made the higher fidelity version far more logical and user-friendly than the original wireframe. App 3, Smart Product Catalog. The Smart Product Catalog app focuses on navigation and dynamic content. Users can browse products using buttons, icons with titles, descriptions, and images updating dynamically. This app was more image driven, so scaling and alignment were critical. I used a linear layout and arrays for product data, allowing the UI to update smoothly as user navigated. Compared to the wireframe, I refined icon alignment, text size for readability, transition between products. The final design reduced clutter while maintaining a familiar catalog style experience. App 4, Registration and Login app. For the registration and login app, I used Figma to create a wireframe instead of hand sketches. This allowed better control over spacing, alignment, and visual balance. Key challenges included preventing the screen from looking too top heavy, finding a clean professional color scheme. I settled on a light background to maintain contrast and clarity. In Android Studio, I focused heavily on responsiveness, testing the layout on different screen sizes. The final interface includes clear feedback message and improved spacing, making it both functional and polished. I used AI tools like ChatGPT for use sparingly, mainly for problem solving and clarification, not full development. Examples including fixing spacing and alignment issue using padding and margins, implementing input validation to prevent crashes, confirming dynamic content update for the catalog app, improving error feedback in login app. Our AI acted as a support tool, helping refine logic and UI decision rather than replacing development work. This project was challenging but very rewarding. I learned the importance of testing, especially for spacing, responsiveness, and usability. Key takeaways includes low fidelity wireframes are useful, but high fidelity tools improve accuracy. Ac- Emulator testing should happen early and often. Small UI changes can greatly improve user experience. Future improvements includes stronger validation logic, persistent data using SQLite or Firebase, enhanced animations, and expanded app functionality. Overall, this project strengthened both my technical skills and UI design awareness, preparing me for more realistic Android development scenarios. Thank you.